Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk pads used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. To change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you'll need to remove the wheels to gain full access. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely, before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Then release the handbrake, or else you won't be able to proceed. For vehicles equipped with an electric handbrake, you need to put the brake caliper in maintenance mode using a diagnostic device. To do this, we recommend you to watch our video, How to Put an Electric Handbrake in Maintenance Mode. Insert a flathead screwdriver to the outer extremity of the oblong hole located on the front of the brake caliper. Lift it off using the screwdriver as a lever by pulling it towards you. This will then push the piston in. Don't hesitate to push the screwdriver further in once the space between the pad and the caliper allows. Ensure that you have pushed the piston in as far as possible before moving on to the next operation. Using a socket wrench and an E14 female Torx socket, undo the two slide pins. Remove the caliper. You can now remove the brake caliper and place it on one of the coils of the shock absorbers. You can now remove the pads. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Remove the noise dampening shims. Using a wire brush, clean the brake caliper mount around the area where the pads will be placed. This will facilitate their installation. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Place the noise dampening shims on the caliper. Take the new brake pads. Install the springs on the pads. Coat the end of the new pads with copper grease. When installing, make sure you put the pad with the 2 pins on the outside and the one with the 3 pins on the piston side. You should also pay attention to the position of the pad springs in their slots. You need to check the proper sliding of the slide pins and the condition of the protective rubbers. If they show evidence of wear, it is advisable to replace them with new ones. Put the brake caliper back in place. And screw in the slide pins. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. It is now time to reactivate the electric handbrake. For this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Put an Electric Handbrake in Maintenance Mode. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to bring the brake pads together again. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on. And lower it to the ground. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometers or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.